What's up everyone? Today we're giving your PSP a fresh new look. But before we drop in, you need to know which type of theme your PSP can actually handle. First up, PTF Themes. They work on any PSP even if it's completely stuck and unmodded. They change your icons and wallpaper but keep the layout mostly standard. Then we have the CTF themes. They can change everything. The boot splash, the sounds, and even the entire layout of the XMB. The catch? You must have a custom firmware and the CXMB plugin installed to use these. So if you aren't modded, it wouldn't work. I have a video for PSP modding guide. I'll leave it in the cards. Basically, PTF is for everyone, CTF is for the modders who want total customization. So now that you know the difference, let's get started. So the first thing is to connect the PSP or the SD card to the PC. You could use that using the USB mini cable or by just pulling out the SD card. And you could just put it in the PC using an SD card reader or if your PC supports it. So that's a website we could download the PSP themes from. Let's just download a PTF theme for now. Let's get this one. Hit download. Of course, all the links will be in the description. And here is our PSP directory and the file we just downloaded. All you have to do is just to go to PSP and then go to theme and just move it there. That's all I gotta do for the PTF files. So coming back to the PSP, let's just check what we just downloaded. Go to theme settings, theme, and you will find it right here that we just downloaded. As you can see, the PTF works with no modded PSP. And now for the CTF themes, first you're gonna download the CXMB plugin. Let's download it. I'll leave it in the description too. And now let's just download a CTF theme. I'll choose this one. Let's also download it. So here is the files we just downloaded. Let's extract the plugin, extract files. Alright, now in the PSP directory, create a new folder and call it SE plugins. Now inside the SE plugins, we gotta move the CXMB folder, that's the plugin itself. And now for the CTF themes, move them to the PSP directory, PSP theme, move them there. And now you're good. And now going back to the PSP, now we gotta install the plugin. Go to extras and then custom launcher. So here is the custom launcher. That's press triangle and go to files. And now head down to SE plugins. And then you will find CXMB, press it. And now you will find CXMB.prx. Press X and then press on VSH. And now let's exit our custom launcher. Hit exit. Now the theme should be available. Now let's go check our theme. Theme settings, theme. And here press apply and yes. So like this, our custom theme is installed, as you can see. So if you guys found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe. I will be uploading more videos about plugins for the PSP.